Now let's talk about old-fashioned baked mac and cheese. This one's topped with Ritz crackers, golden, buttery, just like grandma used to make, though honestly, I don't think my grandma or my nana actually made much mac and cheese. So what makes it old-fashioned? It's the creamy bechamel base, plenty of sharp cheddar, keeping it simple with just one cheese, and that buttery Ritz topping. Here's the trick. Baked mac and cheese has to start ultra saucy because the pasta keeps soaking it up as it bakes. If you're a stovetop mac and cheese girly like me, look for a baked recipe with a high sauce to noodle ratio. And fun fact, Ritz were introduced in 1934, right in the middle of the Great Depression. I love using them instead of breadcrumbs because they're buttery and perfectly salty. The payoff is creamy inside, crisp on top, and this one, it got rave reviews from my toughest critic, my son. So you know it's a winner.